Dorathy opens up about her true feelings for Prince Nelson.
That I liked Prince at that time.
Possible to like more than one person?
I didn't have any feelings for Ozil. And I don't know where all of this is coming from. Maybe because of the kind of person I am. Obviously, I'm very open. When you're like in my face, when you give me a lot of attention, I'm there.
Hi guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Please don't fail to subscribe to my channel. Dorathy has opened up about how she felt about a former housemate Prince Nelson when they were in the Big Brother Naija house. She made this revelation while tackling her issues with Ozil after Watoni said Dorathy liked Ozil. Dorathy revealed with her full chest that she liked Prince a lot but had no feelings for Ozil. Dorathy went further to question Ozil about the time in the house when he was coming to her with his issues with Nengi. She squeezed Ozil what she had told him when they talked about after the first time Ebuka mentioned about them both and Nengi. She said, "When I told you to put yourself in my shoes, if I was going back and forth between you and Prince, who I liked, as at that time, what did you say?" She squeezed Ozil. Wow, we never knew Dorathy had feelings for Prince. No wonder they are having issues now. Recall that at the start of the show, Prince snubbed Dorathy. It appears they aren't in speaking terms too, for reasons best known to them. Anyway, stay tuned, stay subscribed to NAIJA News and Entertainment for more gist on the reunion show. I will be bringing you everything that's going on the show. And also don't fail to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell to get info whenever a new video drop. Stay safe and thanks for watching.